Hello YouTube, it's me again. This is my El Cheapo Chinesium, what is it, 10 by 22 King Industrial lathe. Yeah, I'm not an expert at it. It's got a 3-jaw chuck. It's got horrible lighting. I actually found a light in my father's old shop that actually works, but here's the problem. Here's the problem. I won't even plug in. Got a little fluorescent light in here. Found it in my father's old shop, but this light, when you turn this on, short out the breaker because this thing sucks too much energy. So I have to either get LED bulbs for this. I like the little short light, but anyway. Anyway, I got a little lathe. Like I said, I'm going to make some things on it. I don't have a lot of tooling. I want to change this to a quick change chuck. I have a rubber beater, some tailstock. It's a decent lathe. I should unplug it. That was my plug stuff. I have a couple little tools here, not much. I bought a knurling thing online. I got what, indexable tool here. I got a small parting tool, some more tooling. What's this one? The center one, and what else here? Some more carbide. See, I was messing around with it, trying to make some of those table pegs. And as I noticed, I was reading online, that little dimple there means my lathe is not, my little tool is not at the right height. But you know, I'm not perfect. I'm not sure what the speeds are. I've been reading it. I have a machinist manual, so I'm working on it. I don't do this every day for a living. It's a Chinesium lathe. It was $1,000 at the time. It was all I could afford, and well, you know, we all got what we got. I would like a vintage Atlas lathe, but why am I going to buy a vintage one if I'm going to use it, 10 times a year? And if I go way over there, I have a drawer full of other tools for it somewhere. It's got a 4-jaw chuck. It's got some other stuff down there. It works fine. So, I think my thumb is in the video here. Everything moves good. There's a lot of grime on the bed. It's starting to rust a little. I gotta clean it. But anyway, it's my tool. It's what I got. And it needs a little cleaning. But it's good. Anyway, I hope my video is not too shaky. I'm trying. I'm learning. Thanks for watching. Thanks. Bye.